Alright, we're back. We just had a phone call. That's what you get when you use your cell phone for a video camera. You get interruptions, but I apologize for that. So we're on part 3 right now of Prestige 2011 Box Break 3. Chris Johnson of the Titans, Vernon Davis, Reggie Bush, and Justin Houston, rookie card for the Chiefs. We got 4 packs to go. Jimmy Clausen of the Panthers, Dwight Freeney of the Colts, Jermaine Grissom of the Bengals. League leaders, Phillip Rivers and Peyton Manning. Rookie card, Cameron Jordan of the Saints, Dustin Keller of the Jets, Sam Bradford of the Rams, Ronnie Brown of the Dolphins. 3 packs to go. Brian Fitzpatrick of the Bills, Kevin Walter of the Texans, Julius Peppers of the Bears, Vincent Brown rookie card of the Chargers, 421 of 999, Julio Jones rookie card, Vince Young of the Titans, Darren McFadden of the Raiders, and LeGarrette Blount of the Buccaneers. 2 packs to go. Chiefs, Brandon Flowers, Felix Jones of the Cowboys, rookie autograph, Stephen Ridley, 14 out of 599, Stephen Ridley of the Patriots. Very nice card. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe, NFL, stars an NFL card, rookie Cameron Hayward, the Steelers, Steve Smith of the Giants, Danny Amendola of the Rams, Brian Hartland of the Dolphins. Our last pack. Falcons, Tony Gonzalez, Earl Bennett, Mercedes Lewis of the Jaguars, Adrian Peterson and Percy Harvin Connections card, Marcel Darius of the Bills, Michael Vick of the Eagles, Tavares Jackson of the Vikings, and Troy Polamalu of the Steelers. That concludes our Prestige box, hobby box, break 3. Sorry that we had to cut it into 3 parts. I'll be sending you guys a checklist so you guys can follow along, make sure you see what you get and get what you see. Thank you all for your bids. Alright, bye-bye.